Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So like, subscribe and share this video. Today we are doing vegan pancakes. Yes, that's right. So no eggs, no milk, and super fluffy. This is a one-person serving. All the quantity of the ingredients that I put below in the description box. And let me show you how I did it. Alright, for this recipe we will need 1 cup of white flour, baking powder, baking soda, apple cider vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Those are the dry ingredients. So I like to mix in the first step the dry ingredients because for me it's way easier instead of combining all together. So you have flour, baking powder, baking soda, pinch of salt right there, and finally the sugar. 2 teaspoons of sugar. I use brown sugar, but you can use white sugar. Now let's do the second part, which is the wet ingredients. We need vanilla essence, 2/3 of cup of water, and 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. So there we have our 2/3 of cup of water. We'll mix that a little bit. Oh, and don't forget to add the apple cider vinegar as well. I forgot to take the shoot, but please put it in the wet ingredients. Then we add a little bit of vanilla essence, or 1/4 of a teaspoon. Then we add the 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Now on the third step, we would preheat at a very low heat our pan with a little bit of oil, and then we will put our mix together. So try to pick a non-sticking pan, okay? Okay, so I got this cool 2-lid pan. I can put like one pan into the other, and then I can just flip it like that. Look at that, super easy. If you don't, then just use a regular pan with a regular lid on top of it. So that's the last fluffy pancake. I got 3 pancakes out of this mix. Perfect for a breakfast or a good dinner. Oh my god, guys, just look at that. So like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends so they can do this amazing pancakes.